All right, welcome back to another video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this video. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to use this voltmeter and how I was able to find out what was the problem with my car. Every day I start it up and it'd be fine, and then the next day it'll not start, and then the last few days, every time I get up and try to start it, it wouldn't do anything. So I just charged up the battery to, it was about 12.5. Now to do this, all you need to do is DC voltage. As you can see here, DC. And let me show y'all the voltage. All right, as you can see, it's already down to 12.3. Now I'm gonna do it in 5 more minutes. All right, I'm about to test the battery again. It's been 5 minutes just sitting with the cables off. The battery shouldn't do this. So let's see what the voltage is now. As you can see, it already dropped down about 0.4 volts. But what happens is I charge it up in the morning, and next thing I know, I could start it, and then if I let it sit for about, I don't know, about 4 or 5 hours, it wouldn't even start. It just click, click, click. I thought it was the new aftermarket radio I put in. This is on the Acura TSX 2012. So this voltmeter is a good tool to have. You can find bad grounds, voltage on batteries, voltage on quite a few things, everything pretty much. And you can find resistance. One day I'm gonna show y'all how to find resistance. All right, I went and got a new battery. Very simple to change out. These are size 10, just as well as these size 10. And just move the bracket, lift up. But I want to show y'all what y'all should be reading once you hook it up and while it's started. You should always get more than 12.6. You should get into about 13, high 13s, 14s. This is how you know your alternator is working properly and your grounds are good. So you can see that it's 14 volts. It's more than enough. And if you had a bad ground, all you had to do is find a different ground. Like so. Now I'm touching the alternator right now. So that's a good ground. So if this ground over here was bad, all you would read when you do this while it started is the actual voltage of the battery. But this is letting you know that all your grounds are good right here. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.